I could deadass make that. Have you guys ever heard of Roll for Sandwich? It's this TikTok series where this guy, he basically rolls a whole bunch of dice and he assembles a random sandwich based on the numbers that he gets on the dice. I'm gonna be stealing that idea and applying it to design. So if it doesn't make sense, don't worry, well, just stick with me. When I decided to start this series, I hopped onto Amazon so I can go find a dice tower. But trying to find something that was like my style was kind of hard. But then I realized, like, I could deadass make that. So I hopped onto Pinterest and I didn't even have to scroll. Literally the first row, there it was, Squidward's house, and I already know this is what we're gonna do. So now that we have our reference photo, I'm gonna open up an online 3D modeling program and we're gonna start designing. I'm gonna speed up this part, but in real time it took me like 2 hours.
See, you've done it now. You are fucked.
That's for the theme, watch my eyes grow. Sipping hella lean, smoking hydro. When I hit the reef, turn it tidal. Gary is my shadow, bitch, he go wherever I go.
Gary hit him with the. Gary hit him with the. Gary hit him with the. I'm a stone face killer like my motherfucking house is. Stomach hit that dosey dough and smack you where your mouth is. Heard they want a solo, I can't do that till we out this. Grab my clarinet and smoke them up his body.
The level. And yeah, this is what we're looking like as far as the 3D model. I'm gonna get my printer ready. Yeah, I'm that excited. Let's go.
One hour later. Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
We're done. This is how we're looking. It looks like this because all the supports are on it. These are all supports, but we're gonna take that off together. That was pretty easy. That's why I put glue on the bottom so that it's easy to come off. That was perfect. Let me go get my pliers. Y'all are probably looking at it like, that looks so rough, but it's not as bad as it looks, I promise. The bottom is glue, that's why it looks white like that, and all the roughness is just left over from supports. And yeah, I feel like it looks pretty good right now, but yeah, I'm excited for the finished result.
One eternity later.
Okay, this is our final product. A lot has changed, as you can see. Now we're giving Easter Island Bikini Bottom Stonehead instead of 3D print, which was the goal. I used putty to smooth out any lines and some paint to create this blue stone effect. So final question, does it work? Is it actually functional?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Okay, so I definitely forgot to film an outro. So this is Editing Dana signing off. I hope that the video brought you some value. I hope that it expanded your own perspective on your own capabilities, because you could deadass do that. Oh, and you could follow my design page too. That too.